Hey, this is Sherry from AKA George Beach, and this is my RV challenge. First video, I showed you my spring hill, 26-foot free RV that came with the land. If you want to scope and show this part of the land we bought in Alabama, and this RV was pretty much hunters cabin, and they basically treated it as such. Anyhow, I've done a few things. One big improvement was we put this here new clip for the RV door, which I so appreciate because it kept slamming on it. Let's come on in. I painted the steps, and so far this is what I have. I have a new RV. I mean a renoed RV. I went to Walmart and bought this couch, this futon. What we've done is we've painted the cabinets. I put beadboard up. I've still got to get the trim for this. I've got to fix this and put some of the trim on the corners. We redid the floors because they were rotted out, and we put new subflooring in. I painted the air conditioner or the furnace grates, put new LVP down. I have painted these cabinets. I got to find out where I can get a new one of these. And I have painted these cabinets. Got to put the drawers back in. Touch up some of the cabinets that got kind of messed up. And then I have recovered the reupholstered the cushions. I painted these black. I'm going to get a new butcher block tabletop. And that's where we're at. We're just moving right along, and as you can see, I still got flooring to do, and I'm going to take this gas stove out because no one uses these things anymore. And I'm taking it out, and I'm going to use this space as cabinetry, and I'm going to put a butcher block here, and basically buy a small 2-burner induction stove. Put it right here, and then store it away when we don't want to use it. Anyhow, that's where I'm at. If you have any comments, I'd be happy to take them. Oh, and I just discovered something new. Oh, and no more mice have been visiting, and no bugs. Several times when we first got this property, we turned on this air conditioner. They said it was working, but it made a ton of racket. So after I got all this done, I thought, yeah, let's just turn it on and see what happens. So we turned it on. I turned it on, and after an hour, it quietened off, and it made this place like a refrigerator. I do need to clean this. Anybody give me some ideas on how to get this clean? And I'm probably going to get some kind of spray paint to also spray these if anybody has ever done that before and it worked out okay, let me know. But got to get up on top. Going to reseal the roof. Going to look at the air conditioner, but right now it's chilling. And that's my RV challenge so far.
And that's saying something for 93-degree Alabama.
Yes, Alabama. Oh, don't let that bug in. See ya.